This is Betsy. This is Roxanne. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tim and this is Tim the Trailman, and today I've got my update from my previous video on the OSC oil catch can. The competitors in this competition are my 2007 5.7 liter V8 Toyota Tundra with almost 300,000 miles on it. The other competitor is my 2020 4Runner 4-liter V6 with just about 35,000 miles on it. So let me go over a couple of things that we've been doing. So I've driven both vehicles about 1,000 miles. Each one has gotten city driving, highway driving, idling in parking lots, sitting in traffic, and they both run a Mobil 1 5W20 fully synthetic oil changed every 5,000 miles. Quick math, that's almost 60 oil changes for this one and about 7 oil changes for this one. Take a moment now and tell me in the comment section, which one do you think made more crankcase oil byproduct? The high mileage Tundra with a larger V8 engine or a low mileage V6 engine? Okay, let's play the video and check it out. The first competitor is the Tundra. Here you can see that I'm removing the can and you're looking at the bottom of it. I'm gonna estimate it's less than an ounce. Just a quick swish around and you can still see the bottom of the oil catch can. Now moving to the 4Runner. With the oil catch can removed, clearly tell that there's a lot more oil and it's more difficult to see the bottom of the oil catch can. I'm estimating about an ounce or a little bit more. If you'd asked me 1,000 miles ago, I would have guessed that the larger V8, larger crankcase, higher mileage, higher wear, maybe some worn out cylinders, maybe some worn down piston rings, all those things combined, I would have guessed that the V8 would have produced a higher crankcase byproduct in the oil catch can. But clearly I was wrong, and the 4Runner at the moment is creating a lot more oil byproduct from the crankcase. The good news now is the Tundra has one on it and will continue for the rest of its life to have one as long as I own it, and that byproduct will not be burnt into the intake anymore. For the 4Runner, I'm glad that I've caught it and I'm now doing something about it. All that oil in the bottom of the catch can would have been being re-burnt through the intake system and on the valves. The gasoline, of course, would have cleaned the back of the valves that this is a port injection engine, but why make it work harder to begin with? To me, even though the valves are being cleaned by the gasoline, why make the gasoline clean the valves versus being burnt in the engine? Any benefits in fuel mileage, I have not seen increases on the Tundra or the 4Runner. Neither vehicle was bought for good fuel mileage. What I'm gaining from this is going to be a clean burning engine, less maintenance, better preventive wear on the engines long term. They both are Toyotas. They'll last longer than the earth as a whole, and I'm very excited that I'm now running oil catch cans on both the vehicles. I would like to give a shout out to my patrons. Thank you for your support. It means a lot to me and the channel. And if you'd like to be a patron too, please head on over to patreon.com/Tim the Trailman. If you'd like to see more content like this or have ideas for me to do head-to-head comparisons between the 4Runner and the Tundra, leave that in the comment sections as well. And as always, thank you for watching.